Welcome to my channel and how to download the motherboard driver. Okay, so first you have to come on gigabyte.com, then you can see here search button. Just click on that and please type your motherboard model number B550 Eagle and then hit enter. After you can see this is all detail of your motherboard. Then guys click to product. Then click on model number of motherboard. Click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10, 11. Okay, you can see this video and install any operating system because this is installations process same if you are using Windows 10. Okay, so first audio, you can see this audio driver. Just click to download audio SD driver and then open. And just double click to open, then given to X. Now this is extracting. So it will take some time, so wait and wait for complete. Okay, so it will complete, automatically close it like that.